Hi guys, it's Carrie with High Ground University and your 2-minute tip video. Today we're going to be talking about templates. I'm going to give you two examples of why you would want to create a template. The first is if you've created an email, say an orientation email, where you're welcoming new members to your organization. You don't want to have to type it all up again, so save it as a template for future use. The second is an emergency situation. Let's say there's an active shooter in the area and you need to get a message out to your recipients as quickly as possible. That's another good reason to have templates. To find your template page, hover over Alerts and then click on Templates. Here you'll see that you have the option to select your template type. We have text-to-speech, email, SMS, which is texting, and voice. There's also the ability to put these templates in a category. You'll want to type in a message subject here. Template ID is not necessary, but if you want it for your organization, feel free. And then below you have a message body. One thing I want to point out, if you're sending a voice template or creating a voice template, you want to click on Insert Voice File. You'll see when the page refreshes that you have multiple ways to do this. You could use a file that's on your computer, or you could record a new voice file or use one that's already saved. Below the message box, you'll see at the bottom of the template page that this is where all of our templates are that we've already created. You can feel free to edit them on the left or delete them on the right, and you can quickly use them as a draft right here. Before we're done today, I want to show you real quick how to send an alert using a template. I'm going to send a text message alert, and I'm going to use a template. So I'm going to select our text message here, and then I'm going to come right here to this drop-down menu for SMS templates. I'm going to pretend that it's an emergency and classes are canceled. I click Insert Template, and it's going to autofill everything for me. From here, all I need to do is scroll down and click Send Message Now. You can also use these templates from your smartphone if you're using our mobile command center app. That's a really great way to get your message out, especially in case of an emergency. Take care, you guys. As always, if you need to get in touch with us, feel free to use the beacon at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Take care, and we'll see you next time.